Welcome to Web Scraping with Python, Ruby, and Import.io, where I'll teach you to learn how to scrape websites in 3 different ways. My name is Charlie Crane, and I'm the Director of Digital Media for a publishing company and digital agency. Web Scraping with Python, Ruby, and Import.io starts simple and builds your skills from one lesson to the next. You'll walk away from this course learning how to build many different web scrapers. Throughout the course, we'll cover techniques used by programmers and walk you through them step by step. My goal is to get you up to speed as quickly as possible, but also teach you how to scrape real websites. We'll scrape many different types of websites, ones you know, ones maybe you don't know, but pretty big websites. Maybe you want to learn so you can build a website to show all the houses for sale in your area, pull search results from Google, or find all the pizza places in Manhattan listed on Yelp. This course is designed for anyone who has an interest in building a web scraper or a web crawler. If you aren't afraid to try something new, know how to install software, and are willing to learn, then this course is for you. Python and Ruby can be extremely complex. However, we'll show you how to crawl websites with just a few lines of code and build your skills from there. Just a few lines of code, and you will be scraping websites. Thanks for your interest in web scraping with Python, Ruby, and Import.io. I hope you're as excited as I am, and if you're ready to learn more, sign up for the course. Go ahead, hit the enroll button, or test drive by using the free preview feature. See you in the course.